Hi, this is a quick tutorial on using an OIT template to build a home page for your course. When students first enter your course, they will notice immediately in the middle a home page screen. For some of you, you may opt to use your syllabus or your assignment list. In other cases, you may wish to build a page yourself, but you may be unsure about alignment and other details such as what should be included. In order for us to assist you, we've created several templates. In this demonstration, I'll use the Conservative template to show you how you can easily use our templates to build your front page. When you come into your course, on the right-hand side, you'll notice an option for Edit This Page. So make sure you're on your home page, and then click on Edit This Page. In the center of that page, you'll see your Rich Content Editor. OIT will switch views and paste the code for the template into your course so that when you come in, you will see a page that looks similar to this, and you'll have several options that show you where you need to complete building your page. We'll start with the very top where you see Course Header. The course header should be a banner or program header that indicates the course material or the academic department you are working from. The way to insert a course header or banner into your course is to have that image loaded in your files, and when you open up the editor, you'll want to highlight that. Go ahead and delete that wording because you don't need it. Move over to your Rich Content Selection tool and click on Images. Locate the banner that relates to your course, and if you don't have any, we can load some of those for you as well. As you can see, I have quite a few banners here. Once you've located the banner that you wish to use for your course, simply click once and it will load into your page. The proper size for a banner or course banner in Canvas is 7.5 by 2.5, but they can be of any size that you want. If it is not a 7.5 by 2.5, you want to click on that image, make sure that it's highlighted, and use your Rich Content Editor to align it towards the center. Okay? Just beneath the header, you'll have an option to type in your course name. Simply highlight and type over to indicate the name of your course. Just beneath the title of your course, you'll want to indicate the term and the year for your course so that students know that it is current. Simply highlight, type in the term and the year. Just beneath the course title, you will see a table. The table has been laid there so that you can keep all of your words and points in a neat, organized fashion. No matter the size of the browser the student may be using, all of your text will be aligned accordingly. At the very top, you'll have the option to insert a video or a photo of yourself. If you wish to load neither, simply highlight and delete. To add a welcome video to your course using your webcam, simply let your cursor rest in the table and click on the record or upload media icon. You'll have the option to record directly from your webcam or to upload any other media or audio files that you may have on your computer. I'll close, and in that place I do have a picture that I can upload or drop into my course. So I'll click once from my images content. Just beneath your photo, you'll want to highlight and type in your name. Next, we have a link for you to link back to your faculty website. That's something that many students find interesting, just to learn more about you. If you don't want or don't have a faculty website, you can certainly delete this line. To hyperlink, I'll open up my faculty website in the next corner, copy, highlight, use my rich content editor to link back to that URL. So insert that link. So now that that's been highlighted, students can click on that link and go directly to my website. Just beneath your faculty website, you'll have the option to type over your educational background in terms of where your degrees were earned or what they were. As you can see, I'm just highlighting and typing over. Or you can simply highlight and paste. Okay. Just beneath where your degrees were obtained, you'll want to indicate your office phone. As well, if it is a fully online course and you are hosting virtual office hours, the way to indicate that is to list those here in the top box so students are aware of your availability. It's also a good time or place for you to indicate what time zone you're in if students are accessing your course from other states. Just beneath the faculty introduction or information box, we have a separation in the table for you to introduce your course, tell students how to get started, tell them how it's organized, as well as offer some basic support information, including how to reach you and how you will respond to them. In the intro, you'll want to make sure you just backspace, highlight and fill in your name. Next, you'll fill in the name of your course, highlight, in the second paragraph, you'll want to give students an indication of where to start in your course. Most faculty have an introductory activity or discussion board that they will use. This is a good place for you to link back to that content so that students can access it immediately upon reading about it. So here I have a link to a discussion board, and they must post to that discussion board by a specific date in order to prove that they have enrolled or will be participating in the course. So you want to highlight the name of the activity, go back to your rich content selection area. In this case, you don't want to link back to an image because the picture will appear. You also don't want to link back to files because that file will load in that spot. What you want to do is use the Links tab so that you can link back to that actual part of your course. I'm linking to a discussion, so I will select discussion. And I'm linking back to my welcome. Now, when students click on that item, it will immediately take them to that first discussion board. I'm also giving them a date to do this, a due date. So, just going to type over that. In the next paragraph, you want to talk a little bit about organization of the course. You don't want to give too many details because students will not read it. So just keep it brief but to the point. This is a fully online course. You can substitute hybrid. You can also say this is a supplemental shell to support a course, but tell them also how it is organized. This is a fully online course organized in modules. This is an opportunity for me to link back to those modules so that students can access those as well right away. So I'll highlight that word, go back to my rich content selection area to the links, and I can either select a particular module or go directly to the modules. In this case, I'll use the course navigation button, and select Modules. So now students will be directed to the Modules page as soon as they click on that word. The next thing that you want to do in this paragraph is have students access your syllabus before they even start working in the class. In the space here, you'll want to load your syllabus file. So delete, go to your rich content selection area, access the syllabus from your files. Once you get in your files, click on Course Files. Just beneath you'll see your folder. I've organized mine so that I can reach my syllabus easily. Click on your syllabus once. Now that file has loaded into your page, and students can either read it inline or they can download it as needed. Also, notice that I saved the file in a PDF, so students will not be able to edit it. In the final paragraph, you'll want to talk a little bit about course assistance and support. If you're referencing your virtual hours, be sure to say where those virtual hours will be held. In this case, I will use chat. If you're responding to emails, make sure that you let students know when they can expect to hear an answer from you. And finally, the closing. In order to break up the white space on your page, you do have an option at the very bottom of the table to insert a picture or a logo or any sort of icon you wish to use for your course. Here I will insert an image tied back to the content of my course. I'll click it once, highlight it, align it to the center so that's neater. Just beneath that, we have our assistance information for how to use the Help button to access the Canvas Student Guide, as well as how to reach the OIT Help Desk for technical assistance. We'll click Save. In a matter of minutes, using one of the templates from OIT, you have a front page that's ready for your course.